Hi everyone, my name is Sai Dinesh Reddy. Today we are going to explore the different types of loops used in programming and how they help us write more efficient code. So what exactly is a loop? In programming, it's a control flow statement that lets you execute a block of code repeatedly based on a specific condition. Why do we use them? They reduce code repetition, automate repetitive tasks, and are essential for processing large collection of data by running until a set condition is finally met. Every loop generally has four main parts. First, the initialization where you set your starting value, and next is the condition, which the computer checks to decide whether to continue. And the last, the body contains the actual code you want to execute. Finally, the update modifies the control variable so the loop can eventually progress and end. First loop is for loop. For loop is a count control iteration. It's your best choice when you know exactly how many times you need to run the code in advance. In JavaScript example shown here, we initialize I at 0 and loop as long as it's less than 5, updating I by 1 each time. This is a perfect time for repeating an n times for or iterating through arrays using an index. The second loop is while loop, which is controlled condition. It executes the code block as long its condition remains true. Crucially, the code is checked before each iteration. In this Python snippet, we check if I is less than 5 before printing and updating it. If the condition is false right at start, the loop body won't run even once. And the last loop is that we are going to talk about do while loop. Do while loop is an execute first iteration. Unlike the standard while loop, this one runs the body at least once before it ever checks the condition. Look at this Java example. The program prints the value and updates it first, then checks if it should loop again. Use this when you need to ensure the code block is triggered at least once. Let's do a quick comparison. For and while loops check the condition before the loops, meaning they can run 0 times. Do while checks after ensuring at least one iteration, while for loops are greater for known counts, while loops excel when the count is unknown, and for each is the king of iterating through collections. In conclusion, use for loops when you know the iteration count. Use while loops for condition based or unknown counts. Use do while loop when your code must run at least once. Prefer each for when index is not needed. Always ensure that loops have a termination condition. Thank you.